Welcome to Foster TCG. We're currently being sponsored by Moz Magic Collectible Cards in Orton, Ontario. You can check out their website at mozmagic.com. And he's also on TCG Player. Today we have 3 Modern Masters 2017 booster packs. We got them on sale for $45. Let's see if I can beat the 45 bucks. Got one Electromancer, Falconwrath Noble, Gnawing Zombie, Strength in Numbers, Giant Baiting, is a Guildgate, Battle Rattle Shaman, Lone Missionary, Seagate Oracle, Golgari Rotworm, Selesnya Signet, Wing Splicer, Terminate, Azure the Enchanter, and a foil Battle Rattle Shaman with a Beast token. Center this up. Pack number 2. Start with a Golgari Guildgate, Grizzly Spectacle, Talon Trooper, Slaughterhorn, Delirium Skeins, whatever, Shimmering Grotto, Dynacharge, Attended Night, Rewind, Sundering Growth, Wayward Temple, Seaside Citadel, Wall of Frost, and a Sever the Bloodline with a Stoic Angel foil and a Saverwing token. Last pack. So we really want to hit a Goy for Liliana. Fetch lands would be great. Cards I really need out of this set would be Damnations. Okay. First up we have Sky Knight Legionnaire, Grizzly Spectacle, Simic Guildgate, Pit Keeper, Sylvan Ranger, Tandem Lookout, Dragon Fodder, Youthful Knight, Grasp of Phantasms, Rakdos Guildgate, Teleportal, it's the first uncommon, Aether Mage, Lingering Souls, another good uncommon, Death Shadow, and an Izzet Guildgate foil with a Black Spider token. So, to recap, Azure the Enchanter, Death Shadow, Sever the Bloodline, and a foil Stoic Angel for the rares. I think it's just Lingering Souls and a Terminate and possibly the Selesnya Signet for notable uncommons. Please share the video, leave a like, comment down below. When we get to 100 followers, I will give away a pack of Modern Masters 2017. Remember to check out mozmagic.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Tell your friends, and always remember to pay where you play.